Hey, Phil here with another digital marketing how-to. This one's super exciting for me because I'm a big fan of Google Data Studio and I've been wanting to make this video for quite some time and I had to get my production up. So this is a super interesting topic. I'm going to demonstrate a few reasons why you should check out Google Data Studio, and then we're going to do a tutorial on how to set up using my template that allows you to put your data in, right? So let's get started. Before we begin, why use Google Data Studio? I think it's an excellent question, and some people have a perception of what Google Data Studio is or isn't, and maybe I can help clear that up. So when I talk to marketers, website owners, and business owners, they're usually in one of two camps, right? They're either drowning in too much marketing data, they've got multiple reports everywhere, and I was in this boat where I was cobbling a bunch of data from a bunch of different sources to make my monthly reporting, and it was extremely stressful and time consuming, right? Or you're in the other camp where you have too little data, where maybe all of your data sources aren't connected, they're not communicating in a cohesive way, and you don't have any reporting to help you out, right? Enter Google Data Studio, right? Google Data Studio can act as one source of truth, and today I'm going to show you just kind of how to do a Google Search Console and Google Analytics inside Google Data Studio, and in the following weeks I'm going to show you how to add Google Ads, local, email, CRM, e-commerce, all that cool stuff, so you've got it all in one source of truth. Now, everything that I mentioned below, that we're going to be using live APIs, so there's not a lot of copying pasting data from spreadsheet to spreadsheet, because that kind of defeats the purpose of the beautiful work that Google Data Studio has done to make your reporting awesome. So I'm going to show you how to set up my Google Data Studio dashboard with your site, your logo, your data. That's enough of me talking. Let's get started. By now you should have clicked the link in the description and gone to the landing page where you filled out your info to get this cool Data Studio report. You're going to hit copy, and I already have my data sources loaded in. When you first see it, you're not going to have one, so you're going to go here, you're going to go to your Google Analytics property that you want to connect, and keep in mind the stuff we're doing today is Google Analytics and Google Search Console, so you definitely need access to those. Hey, welcome to my YouTube, where we just stand here and wait for Google to make its mind up. But don't forget to add this. Okay, so this is a Google Analytics property. That's going to my new Google Analytics property. I'm so glad I named it because I can just go here and search. Beautiful. Do the same thing for the other Google Analytics properties. So that's 1, 2. Okay, this looks like another Google Analytics. So let's go. Now, if I didn't nickname it, it would be all website data over and over and over again. So again, renaming these connections is super helpful, and I didn't start doing that until this year, 3 years in. So last one, we got Search Console, the domain Search Console. So you're going to create a new data source. You are going to find Search Console. You are going to find the domain. Now you can do it a couple different ways, but I've done it. Search Console domain. And I want URL impression. Oh. They just love giving me more options that I didn't anticipate. Jeopardy music. Alright, I should be able to find that property again. Alright, I'm gonna copy this report. Don't laugh at the metrics. Haha, this is just an example. At this point, we should see all of your data loaded up. Knock on wood, I don't want to see any blank charts. Oh, beautiful. It's looking quite good. I want to go all the way down to my... Oh, bless. Excellent. All right, with this site speed performance, a little more tweakage is needed. Anyways, that is how to get Google Data Studio set up. Thanks so much for watching. I think this report is really powerful, and once you start using it, I think you're going to realize that your clients like it and you like looking at all of this stuff from the top down. Stay tuned, because we're going to do new add-ons as far as Shopify, Facebook, Google Ads, HubSpot, more add-ons that are going to make this more usable and more simply just more of a living document for your marketing and your web marketing. So thank you so much for watching, and I shall talk to you later. I hope this helps you out. If you think this content's cool, please consider liking and subscribing, because again, we're going to develop on this platform that I've already shared with you. So I'm really excited to share more, and please stay tuned in the future. Reach out with any questions. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.